Oh, the newest restaurant in Manila. Azalea. Oh, look. Ito ba yung economy na lumulubog? Azalea. Serving Filipino food and its own ice cream. You have makapuno, mango, buko pandan, ube makapuno, queso, cookies and cream, ube, pineapple, and calamansi, barako, sugar-free, lychee, coconut, and avocado. Tapos ayan, pansit luglog, they all have Filipino food in a different way. O, sisig na baboy. Look, oh. Crispy mascara. Fried inasal. Chicken skin. Pinakbet rice. Bistek Tagalog. Bulalo na baka. Oh, you don't have to go to Tagaytay. Pwede lang kayo dito sa Robinsons, Manila, sa ground floor. Behind Starbucks. Then sinigang na baboy. Ang ganda ng presentation, oh. Native na native. Oh, chili peppered stir-fried chicken and pork. Sizzling bulalo na baka. Look. Ang sarap, oh. Ganda ng presentation. Tsaka full ang restaurant. Pansit ni Antonio. I don't know yung Antonio sa Tagaytay owns this. I'll ask. Azalea. Ayan, tokwat baboy. See? Traditional. You can bring your balikbayans over. Para ma-compare natin sa Crisostomo. Kadyos baboy lang ka. To compare sa Barrio Fiesta, sa Kabalen, the other Filipino restaurants. Lumpia Shanghai Wrap. Gambos El Ahilio. I don't know if I pronounced it right. Lechon kawale, of course. Tapos, kansi. And they have only rice, oh. 80 pesos and above. Only. Kita nyo yan, only rice. I wanna see the menu. Crisostomo. See guys, ang daming tao, ang daming nakapila. What do you think? Lulubog ba ang Pilipinas sa pagganito? Look at the economy. Everyone has some pesos. Everyone is working hard to be able to enjoy life in the Philippines. So that is Azela, Balay Daco.